Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Hybrid Server Pro Core and this is lab 11.1.7 and we are going to remove a shared folder. So you are configuring the file system of a Windows server named COP516. The H drive project folder is shared using two share names, project and build. You no longer want the H drive project folder to be accessible through the share name build. In this lab, your task is to remove the share name build and the project folder. So let's go ahead and start our lab. Alright, so in case you find this video to be helpful at the end, you might also want to consider joining our professional membership, or you have detailed video access on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. Also consider liking, subscribing and turn on notification to our channel so you have access to all our other videos. Alright, so let's start up right away. We click on COP server. Alright, we click on COP server and then we'll go ahead and open COP516. Alright, so we open folder and let's see this PC and project. Right click and go to properties and you go to sharing, click on share. Let's go to advanced sharing and then we go to project and then select builds and then click on remove and then apply, then click on OK. And then we go ahead and check and test. So if you find this video to be helpful, also consider sharing so that other students can benefit. Also like and subscribe to the channel, turn on notification so that you have access to all our other educational videos. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.